Magnus on the go around the world I roam. In cities I explore where the wild winds blow. Adventures wait at every corner that I know. New cultures calling, this is Magnus on the go. Magnus on the go around the world I roam. In cities I explore where the wild winds blow. Adventures wait in every corner that I know. New cultures calling, this is Magnus on the go.
So without the dots over here, it's ge, gi. Do you have dots? You pronounce it gue, gui, and without like this, it's je, ji. Claro. So another beautiful day here in Guanajuato and Escuela Mexicana. I have my break now. I've done 3 lessons and I have 1 to go. Yeah, I'm figuring out this pictures and movie and storage things, and I have Dropbox on my phone and I have Dropbox, and they have like camera uploads, and I'm trying to see if I do upload my movies and pictures to Dropbox on my phone, then I can delete all pictures on my phone maybe. My friend Jocke is helping me and to check it out if it works in reality. Even if I've read about it, that it should work, I don't really trust it, so I want to see it. So we are not finished yet. I have 30 minutes left, 30 minutos en la clase, and I'm going with my maestra, in the town, La Ciudad. Hi, maestra.
Hola.
Hola. ¿Tu nombre es?
Mariana. Soy Mariana. I am Mariana.
Es muy bueno. Muy bueno. And yeah, so now we're going out of town and probably gonna see what there is in town, I think. Like zapaterías, la tienda de animales, la frutería, el hotel. Mucho, muy.
Muchas cosas.
So, gracias. Okay, people, I'm going to get a burrata. Everything is like whooshy. You question everything after being in the Spanish school, because it's called burato. Yeah, the thing you eat. But then you have burrata, which is very cheap, burrata, and then you eat burato. And then when it's expensive, it's caro. So you see, so a burato, that's what you eat, right? Instead of listening to me, look at this beautiful church, iglesia. So I'm going to have something small to eat, because at 4 o'clock in 40 minutes I'm going back to school, because there are some, how do you say, like föredrag. They have things that's free. So the other day there was a free city tour, and today is a free speech. What do you say? Like they're going to talk about Mexican music. Maybe we're gonna hear about it, I don't know. And tomorrow I'm gonna do a cooking class, which is also, no, not free. It's $5, and then you pay for the ingredients. But it's almost, so they arrange all this in the school, which is very, very nice. And then you also meet the other students, a little bit more. But I have some news for you, and I'm very happy. I'm happy, feliz. You know, I've been talking about all the storage space that is emptying. My phone is getting full and stuff. All of a sudden, when I looked today at the storage, before it was full with 120 gigabytes, and I only had 8 gigabytes left, and all of a sudden it was at 75 gigabytes. And I think I've been synchronizing all the pitches up to the cloud all the time. And it's been going from 350 pictures and movies and going down, 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 down. And all of a sudden it was at 0. So I think it might be like when it gets to 0, then it sort of free all the space that you've been uploading. So, but you have to go down to 0, that all of the pictures have been synchronized. I think that's it. And tomorrow I'm moving to that street over there. So just like 50 meters up on that street, that's where I'm gonna stay for 8 days. But that's tomorrow's problem. I just love when the buses are different and they look like they're from the 50s or something like that. So no, here in the Yellow House, that's where you could get a very, very good burritos and tacos, but it's closed. And I remember maybe she said something about they're not open until 7 o'clock or something like that. So I can't get a burrito today. Well, not now anyhow. So I was thinking about maybe eating a little bit more than just a taco or so. But then I remember the girls from the school said, we asked if we could have dinner sometime, and after this thing we're going to do at 4 o'clock, maybe they want to have dinner tonight, so then I don't want to eat so much. So I found this actually. Yes, it's gonna go Italian now, and then you have a piece of pizza, and it's also included a Coca-Cola like this, and this is like 1 euro or something. But it was very good. Different sausages like salami. Oh no, there's ham but some other sausage. And queso. Not queso like in Swedish. Cheese. We go Italian, guys. So people, if you haven't understood that before, I just love this city. It's like, I feel more safe here than I do in Stockholm. I don't know if it's the colors on the houses, because in Stockholm everything is grey, but the sun and the heat makes it maybe more mellow, or maybe like. But also it feels like the people are so nice and so great. It's not like in South Asia where everybody is smiling at you, to you, every time they see you, but the atmosphere here is so gentle. I mean, of course, I'm staying in the middle of the city. I'm just walking around in the city, so I'm not in the suburbs. Maybe it's much more crazy there. It probably is. I'm not going to be in those areas at any time. Maybe just to be a tourist there and to see how it is. It feels so nice. It feels so safe. It feels so good, and I'm happy. I have more than 1 week left here, but it feels like I could stay here for much longer. Well, ask me again after 1 week. Maybe I'm fed up. Maybe I'm fed up with everything, with the colors. Maybe I just want to go back home. I don't know. Follow me to see what happens. Will I stay this fun? Will I stay this cool? Will I stay this happy? Or will I not? Lecture is what it is. It's what it is. It's what it is. It's lecture. I'm gonna listen to a lecture about Mexican music and folk music and traditional Mexican music. So that's what I'm about to do very, very soon. I'm going there now, back to school. Have you seen how small the sidewalks are? Like, I can barely walk it. It's like half of what it is in Sweden. Oh, here is bigger. Well, this is a big one. Oh, just for a while. Let's get ourselves educated in the folk music of Mexico.
Siempre hay muchas cosas, principalmente música, ¿verdad? En este mundo la vida no vale nada. Bonito León, Guanajuato, con su mirada.
Da-da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da. Well, I had some tequila and some beer, and that's all it needs for me to be a little tippish. Tipsy? How tipsy? Tipsy is the word. So, what now? I met some new friends at the lecture of Mexican artists, and it was really nice. You got some information, and then they put on songs, and we listened to the songs, and then we tried to sing along with the songs. Mexico traditional music, and it was very traditional, and then there were like more modern Mexican music, and well, look, like, you know, Swedish lager, and also rock, but it wasn't rock, it was reggae. So yeah. Okay, and now I'm going up these stairs. The school is there. There are a lot of alleys around here, but I'm going here. Yeah, enough about that. I'm going home to start to pack, because tomorrow I'm gonna move. But then I decided with Sarah and Linda that we're going out to eat in 1 hour. I'm gonna meet them in 1 hour. Here's my place. It's so close, and the city is over there. Did I say I was happy? I've been home for 1 hour, and I'm meeting the girls here by Don Quixote. Oh, hi! Here they are, Sarah and Linda.
Oh, you're videotape waving.
Yes, say hi to the world. Yes, hello, Sweden. Yeah, sorry. So this is the big theater, Teatro Juarez, and it's Linda's time to choose restaurant. They choose every other day who's deciding where to go, and this is supposed to be something with fishy, seafood and stuff, and that I love that. La Vela looks nice, huh? Yeah. And here we are, and we're having tacos with shrimps, and it's fried shrimps. Doesn't this look delicious? And then we have picante salsa, and not so picante.
La más picante. Oh yeah,
that's
picante.
Huh? That's
Definitely.
spicy.
Yeah.
Love that. Okay, and you're gonna see me eat soon. Okay, people. Okay, but people, I'm so sorry. I didn't film anything when I ate. The salsa was very, very nice. The picante one, spicy one, really, really picante, and the red one was sweet and very, very nice. So it was a very, very nice dish, but it didn't come up to the scale. So it wasn't as good as that, but it was very good, and it was very, very nice with spending the night with Linda and Sarah, and they are staying at school. They have some rooms there at school, and now it's time for me to do some repacking. I'm gonna leave this place tomorrow morning. I'm gonna take my suitcase and everything to school, and then during my lunch break I'm gonna do the check-in to the other place. But now, I think I'm going to take a beer and repack. Well, that's all for today. And I've been packing and preparing for tomorrow. Yeah, so that's sort of what I've been doing today. And also thinking about a little bit about, because the weekend is coming and I'm free for Saturday and Sunday. It's Friday tomorrow. So wonder I have to do something. But for now, buenas noches.